2005 Subaru Legacy GT rear wheel bearing replacement. I have to take it off, but pounding won't do it because it's seized up pretty much, you know, northeast salt. What do you expect? So I made hub buster, hub shocker. Used the rotor and welded 2x2 tubing, and I saw it on the internet. I'm not claiming that I'm an inventor, just made up, and a friend of mine helped me welding these. I'm gonna attach to the hub and using 3-pound hammer, 4-pound hammer, give it a shock, see if that helps loosen up the assembly. Okay, I put the hub buster, hub shocker, whatever it is. I'm gonna give it a good whack at the end of the square tubing, see what happened. See if that works. Oh, yep, it's good. Wow, it worked. It's broke free. But with the hub shocker, just one big blow, it came free. Okay, thanks for watching.